Hello and welcome back for today's Financial News Digest, presented by FX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's what's happening on the markets today.
Last Wednesday, Alibaba dropped by 3.8% to $103.83, as renewed U.S. tariff threats and regulatory scrutiny over its AI partnerships added pressure to the stock. The Australian stock market index traded above $8,550 on Thursday, nearing record high levels, as mining and gold stocks rallied on stronger commodity prices. U.S. gasoline futures hovered around $2.19 per gallon, as markets balanced concerns over rising supply and weakening demand. The Japanese yen appreciated to around 146 per dollar, extending gains from the previous session, as the U.S. dollar weakened amid a sharp drop in Treasury yields. Ether surged 6% yesterday, fueled by renewed whale accumulation and a technical breakout, including a golden cross that signaled bullish momentum and is trading close to $2,800 today. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 7 a.m., Turkey to release the annual industrial production for May, following 3.3% in April. At 8 a.m., the industrial production in Italy is expected to decrease, after reaching 1% in April. At 12 p.m., Brazil will release figures for the annual inflation rate of June, following 5.3% in May. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 6 a.m., the UK to release the gross domestic product for May, following -0.3% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the unemployment rate in Canada is expected to increase, after reaching 7% in May. At 6 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the monthly budget statement of June, following a deficit of $316 billion in May.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.